my point, 0, 4, and I'm going to put it in for x and y, and remember which one's the x and which one's the y. Which one is which? Yeah, so don't, like sometimes you just kind of go fast and you're like, oh, the 0 goes here because you see it first and that comes first. No, this is a y coordinate. We need to put in 4 equals a 0 minus 1 squared plus 20. Okay. What's 0 minus 1? Yep. Okay. What's negative 1 squared? 1. A times 1 is just A. Okay, so just understand that I'm going to write just A here, but the reason why is because it's 1 times A. Okay, so we subtract that 20 from both sides, and it's looking like A is equal to negative 16. All right, so last step, I'm going to write it over here. Our equation in vertex form, I'm going to go back to this top row, and now I know what A is. So y equals negative 16 x minus 1 squared plus 20. Okay, for today, when you do things, you can leave them in vertex form. What I am going to show you is, we did do this in Algebra 1, is how you multiply this out to get to standard form. You just distribute, yeah. But some people might have forgotten that, I don't know. Where do I want to do this? I'll do it on the side here. If I wanted to get rid of all of the parentheses, here are some key things to remember. What is it, when you square something, what does that mean? Multiply the number by itself. So when you square x minus 1, don't do x squared minus 1 squared. What that means is this. It means negative 16. It means x minus 1 times x minus 1. That's what that means. Okay? All right. Let's FOIL. Do you know what I mean when I say FOIL? First, outside, inside, last. I have some people in my other classes who like to use the box method always too, you know. Okay, let's do it together. I'm going to do my distributive property first before I do my 16, negative 16. What's x times x? X squared. Don't forget we're going to have a 16 out in front of this too. All right, negative 16. X squared minus 1x minus 1x. Some of you can just put those like terms in your heads. Last, what's negative 1 times negative 1? Positive 1. Uh-oh, what did I forget to write down? Thank you. Okay, next, you would put your like terms together. We got x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 20. My last step is I am going to distribute the negative 16. So negative 16 times x squared, I'll write it down here, is negative 16x squared. Negative 16 times negative 2x is plus 32x. I have a negative 16 here, but do you see how I have a like term, plus 20? So I'm going to put those together. What's negative 16 plus 20? Plus 4. Okay. So tomorrow we're going to start talking about this form more. That standard form. Okay, you want me to write it in between. This, I distribute it. But then I had a plus 20 on the end, so I put those together. Okay?
I didn't
I